excuse how messy the pillow settings are, but it's not the point. Yeah, the point is we are going to be taking great pictures, so anyone can participate. You don't need a camera, and we are all going to have so much fun. So now I'm going to go do my makeup, and I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not good at makeup, I'm mediocre, so bear with the girl and let's start. I'm applying white dot all over my face. I'll be back when I'm done though. Okay, I think this is better. I don't want to work with the plastic. I don't have the energy to edit out the bumps in the plastic. So I'll be using, let me show you guys, this frame, the dark side of the dressing table. It's like, I flipped it by the way because the girl improvises, and I'll obviously be copying out this side that I don't like to come up with my perfect picture. So let's start. Let us start.
So I feel like I should explain what I'm wearing. I wore this gorgeous hat I found in my mother's closet. It's like a traditional Zulu hat but with style. Painted my face white and wore a tutu as a top to add extra for that.
I think that's a wrap. I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be posting a new one tomorrow. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.